In this video, we're going to talk about assigning a question to our classwork part of our Google Classroom. So you just go up to Create and you hit the question, and it's going to look similar to like when you assign an assignment, or if you're making a quiz, or if you're doing materials, things like that. It looks basically the same. There are just a few differences. So if I want to assign a question, I just go ahead and type my question, and maybe I want to say, what did you notice and what did do you wonder? Okay. And I can make it be a short answer, or I can make it be a multiple choice. And if I do multiple choice, here's my options down here. I can just add as many as I want. I want to keep mine as a short answer. And then I may say something like, read the following article and answer the questions. Okay. I can then add something to this. So if I go ahead and say I want to add like something from my Google Drive that I just want them to read, and my Google Drive comes up and I have this one. Oops. I'm going to insert it. Oops, I inserted two of them, so I can delete that one. All right, and since it's a question, there is no can I assign this to a student or anything. They're going to answer these questions based on reading this. So they can't do anything with this right here. Then I'm going to go over here, and once again I can choose, do I want to add it to all my questions? Do I want it to have a category for a grade, or do I want it to just be ungraded? I throw a due date on it. I always try to throw a due date so then it shows up in the kids' calendars. And then, you know, topic or no topic. I'm going to leave no topic this time. I'm going to say students can reply to each other, because maybe also in here I want to say, when done, respond to at least 2 classmates. Okay, so they can have a discussion. You can say students can edit their answer, which means they can go back in with whatever they typed for an answer and go back and edit it. I'm going to keep that off for right now. So I'm going to say ask, and once again, just like ask, just like posting, you can ask, you can schedule, you can save, you can discard, whatever. I'm going to ask it right now. So it's going off and it's assigning that question. Okay, so I'm going to go over here, and this is my test person. So this is Fred, and I'm going to go into Fred's classwork, and it is going to be right. Refresh this really fast, and then you'll see the question is right here. What did you notice? What do you wonder? Okay, so I click on this and it says read the following articles, and then when done, respond. So I'm going to view the question, so I can still read this article if I want to. All right, and then I come over here, the students will type their answer. I noticed it was colorful, and learned to spell. Okay. I wonder what is coming next. And then I hit turn, then they just go ahead and hit turn in. Okay. Boop. It just tells them you can't make changes if I said you couldn't make changes. So then that goes off, and I can see my classmates' answers. So if I had more classmates assigned to this question, I could answer some, I would see their answers, and I can answer their back. I can respond to them. Boy, I'm having problems talking on this video. On the staff side, so on the teacher side, I'm going to refresh real quick so it shows up. I go to my what did I notice? What do you wonder? And you'll see that one person turned it in. I can actually view the question, and it will say, okay, Fred noticed it was colorful. I can reply directly to Fred right now, and or any of the students that are here. And Fred can then start replying to other students too. So that is what asking a question is all about in Google Classroom. So if you have any questions, just let me know, and I would be glad to help you out. So yeah, so there you have it.